This is how to get free VPN on your computer. First of all, go to extension, click on manage extension, then click on Chrome Web Store. As you can see Chrome Web Store, then search for Urban VPN Proxy. So this is how the extension look like. Mind you, this VPN have so many countries, so you can add it to your Chrome. Add extension. Let's wait for it. Okay, downloaded. So the next step is to pin the extension to our browser. Click on the extension tab and pin it. Okay, let's look for it. Urban VPN Proxy. So it's pinned. So the next step is to connect to. Let's connect the VPN right now. Agreed. Okay, disable that extension. Okay, I already have subscribed, so let me disable that. Okay, we are good to go. As you can see, we are connected to Gemly. So let's check our IP. what'smyip.com. Go to my what'smyip.com to check your IP. As you can see, country Germany. So let's check. Let's try and change our location to United States of America. So let's select United States. Connected. So let's refresh this. Our what's my IP? As you can see, we are now United States, Florida. So this is the easiest way to get free unlimited VPN on your laptop, on your MacBook, on your Windows. So do it to like, share, and subscribe. I will leave the link in the description below.